Ito eh.
Will prevail.
Record ko.
Attention! Enemy incoming! Missiles! Fire! All personnel to the front line immediately!
Malayo
Record
range
ko ulit.
Orewan to.
Dep ba tayo?
Guys, watch my scout.
Ano ginagawa mo sa'yo?
Ha?
Ano ginagawa mo sa'yo?
Nang bablind to, nang bablinds.
Babae kita sa'yo, di ba?
Guard your sectors.
Nang bablind to yun sa akin.
Until they retreat.
Hindi ka babae. Ay! Dito pa sa GLG. Sabi naman yun.
Flashing drone out!
Hold on, I'm here.
Yan sa ano?
Not to die. Ang dami.
Gago ka.
Gagi ka.
Tangina na triple kill tayo.
Enemy has taken objective
Dep
Alpha.
naman tayo eh.
May beacon ako doon na sa bahay. Malapit sa A.
Watch out for the flash!
Aray, sa likod.
Utang ina ka. Retratin mo kay RJ. Aba gamit mo? Huwag ka muna mag-sniper dito ah.
Muna.
Wala pang ano. Kung mag-sniper ka doon kasi sumalayo siguro respond.
Ako na.
Decoding enemy signals! Enemy located! Hostiles detected!
Fuck! Paano?
Saan nang gagaling yung
Ah, gago. Meron palang ano.
Puta, basag na yung cover natin. Puta, pagkalaban. Hindi ako makita.
Hindi ko alam kung saan nang gagaling.
Join the light show!
Basag na yung bahay na pinaglagyan ng big.
Barrage ready.
Gago ka!
Cover eh.
Huwag kang tumingin sa akin, tagina. Hindi na ako nakikita eh. Balik lang ulit, balik lang.
Welcome back, amigo.
Lapit lang ng konti, malapit sa A, tapos maglagay na agad ng beacon.
Still strong, but we must hold this sector.
Ah, asong ka.
Flashing drone out! Almost killed me!
Ay, gago. Nandito sa maliit na na bahay.
Hindi ko abisado yung map.
Nakuha na.
The enemy has cleared objective Alpha.
Naglalag ako.
Watch out for the flash! Sector Alpha is under enemy control.
Fuck.
That's a wrap! Found them!
Out mo na. Nasa kanila na yan eh.
Form new defensive lines and keep the enemy out.
Ikaw lang saan ako maglalagay.
Flashing drone out!
Contact!
enemy is attacking objective Bravo 1.
Sakasaan ako!
Watch out for the flash!
Triple blaster charges up!
Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Decoding enemy signals! Enemy located! Hostiles detected!
Objective Bravo 2 lost.
Layo mo ko. Mali. Putik. Beacon yung inaano ko eh.
Ina mo.
Flashing drone out!
Objective Bravo 2 has been captured by the enemy.
Hindi ba yun?
Enemy spotted!
Ano? Sa to?
Allied forces are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Shotgun.
Swapping back!
Sa B1 na.
Gawin natin yan to.
Putang ina, wala ng bala. Abusan pa ng bala.
The enemy has suffered minimal losses. We must remain vigilant.
Gago. Nasa kabila.
We have cleared
Ano
objective
naman?
Bravo 2. Press on.
Beacon dito. Nasa bahay.
Gagi.
Ayaw nyo puntahan yan to.
Objective
Lol,
Bravo 2
ayun eh.
was captured by enemy forces. Enemy has taken objective Bravo.
Damn.
Allied forces are clearing objective Bravo 2.
Wala na.
Flash out!
Gago ka.
Gago. Nasa ako.
Combatants in
Ano
objective
pala dun?
Bravo 2 have been eliminated.
Medic!
Medic!
Appreciate it!
Uy, di pa tapos.
I'm injured! Help me! Very thankful!
Allied forces have taken objective Bravo 2.
Around and face the music! Tracking enemy! Enemy located!
What?
The enemy has taken objective Bravo 2.
Puta, may shotgun. Nandiyan na naman yung naka-shotgun.
Grabe yun.
Grabe yan. Yung naka-shotgun na yan.
Yung lemon pearl, putang ina nun.
Yata tayong pinatay. Ba't ako masak niya?
Blinding them!
Ang dami.
Enemy has taken objective Bravo 2.
Ha? Nasa Bravo to kami ha. Bakit? Oo nga. Dami nga nila doon.
Patay.
Somebody watching me.
Be advised, the enemy has taken Sector Bravo.
Wala lang. Sa sina lang tayo, last.
Ano, nabomba pa ako. Nakalis na tanker.
Keep fighting!
Secure nyo yung ano, yung mga beacon natin.
secure our last sector. Whatever it takes.
Found them! Damn it! What the heck?
Friendly down!
Enjoy the light show!
What? Nasa likod. Uy, salamat Kuya Francis.
I feel much better! Holding back!
Gago ka.
Tanga na. Dami sa likod.
Gago, nandun
Ang
pala.
likod.
Sa likod na ano, dumadaan.
Almost there!
Upper ng
Flashing drone
C1.
out!
Gago ka.
Kotse natin, nasaan na?
Copy. Vehicle drop to target location. Be advised. Enemy troops are attacking objective Charlie 2. The enemy has suffered minimal losses. We must remain vigilant.
Stop for the flash!
Dami na.
Gago ka.
Tulugin na maimping ah.
Give me a hand! Hurry!
Ay, thank you po.
Thanks. Thought I was a goner. Enemy located!
Sa baba na, sa likod. Grabe yung C1 yan.
Enemy troops are attacking objective Charlie 1.
Putang inang yan.
Gago ka. Sige, kaya natin yan. Beacon ako dyan ah.
This is our last defense. We must hold it.
Shit happened! Flashing drone out! Tracking enemy! Found them!
Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming.
Hey! Time to wake up!
Hindi na nga pala ako ano.
Be advised. Enemy troops are attacking objective Charlie
Uy,
1.
gago ka. Nakakakanyo ng puto.
Sa ilalim, sa ilalim.
Ayun na naman!
What the hell?
May tank na naman.
Tank na yan.
Si Byron na maganda dito eh. Pag ganito eh. Para AOE.
The enemy has cleared objective Charlie 1.
Watch out for the flash!
Wala na, sinira na yung beacon.
Objective Charlie 1 was captured by enemy forces.
We got a man down! Enjoy the light show!
Kayo?
Decoding the signal! Found them!
May sniper yan.
Nasa taas.
Vehicle drop na kaya ako. Kaya ako pa. Ayun na nga.
Copy. Vehicle drop to target location. Allied forces are engaging at objective Charlie 1. Secure our last sector, whatever it takes.
Flashing drone out!
Medic! We have a casualty here!
Puta.
Artillery barrage ready.
The enemy forces are down to half. This sector will be ours.
Ano?
Always on the front.
Ang Negra.
The situation is critical. Stand your ground. Defend at all costs.
Enjoy the light show!
Everybody up in at the night show.
Artillery barrage incoming.
That's a wrap! Hostiles detected! Take it back!
Allied forces are attacking objective Charlie 1. Send reinforcements to the objective.
Move there!
Copy. Vehicle drop to target location. Allied forces are taking objective Charlie 1. Reinforce fire support.
Keep your eyes wide open! Beacon ready to deploy. Artillery barrage ready.
What the hell?
Hindi ko pa kabisado yung mapa.
Enemy has taken objective Charlie 2.
Sabi
I need help!
sa ano ko lang.
Subin.
T1 tayo? Kaya
Copy.
natin?
Vehicle drop to target location. Secure our last sector, whatever it takes. Allied forces are taking objective Charlie 2. Reinforce fire support.
Throw in smoke grenade!
Gago, bomba.
Cover! Down! Nice shot, mate!
Decoding enemy signals! Hostiles detected!
Combatants in objective Charlie 2 have been neutralized. Keep
Ay, ngayon nasa loob, ano?
Swerte naman ito.
Sa loob na. Putik to.
Loob ng bahay.
Oo, nasa akin. Ayan, wala na. Ayos na.
Nag-back din sila eh. Kinabahan sila dun eh. Makukuha natin si Iwan eh.
Be advised, our forces have secured objective Charlie 2. Moving on.
Lagi, dito na.
Keep fighting!
Secure our last sector, whatever it takes.
Flash out!
The enemy's forces are dwindling. Hold the line.
Makita.
Roger that, artillery barrage incoming.
Nasa tabi na naman.
Copy.
Hayop na ako.
Vehicle drop to target location.
Tatago sa loob. Nga eh. Saan kaya beacon yun? Skin na lang.
Ikit ka dyan. Hindi ko kuryente yan.
Meron pa.
Wala na. Hindi ko meron ko sa loob.
They're almost gone. Keep fighting. Make sure that we get this final victory.
Casualty here!
That's a wrap! Enemy located!
Killed me!
Reinforcements to the
Requesting
objective.
artillery barrage.
Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming. Smoke screen incoming.
Nine na lang, sir.
Combatants in objective Charlie 1 have been neutralized. Keep moving.
Tangina, ang dami ko napatay. Artillery barrage, gago.
Enemy didn't
Nice one.
Our defensive position holds strong.
Okay, sakto, alas
Operation
12.
accomplished.
Sakto alas 12.
Ang dami ko napatay. Artillery barrage. Oh.
Ay, gagi na space ko kaagad. Pinakita yung ano.
Ang ganda nun ah. Baka James Kian.
Hindi makikita yung last match.
Rank 5 tayo. Squad rank 5.
Nice game.
5 nice. G. Bukas ulit. Mamaya pala.
Ganda natutukan.
Mga
GG.
natuto.